without you. I don't wanna be alone. When we hooked up, we sat down, made an agreement. We vowed that we'd always be together through whatever. We said that no one would ever get between us. This love will never, ever leave us. That was a wild love.
Hey Jada gang, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today, tonight, whenever you are watching this video? I just wanted to film an intro to this video. As y'all see by the title, I'm gonna take one of my old blonde wigs and make her into a Babiana. Because one thing about Jada is I get scissor happy, and instead of scissor happy and cutting my hair, why not do it to one of my old wigs? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the Jada gang, because being with the gang, you a lame and you know you want to come hang. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the video, and like, can we just give it up for the Babiana? Because like, y'all know me, I love me a good blonde wig. So I couldn't let this wig go. I couldn't throw it away, nothing. Like, I was like, you know what? We just gonna cut it into a bob. And she bobbing and she cute. So let's get into the next clip.
But now lately, it feels like, I feel like going to this fight every single night. Can't make time, can't get it right. I just wanna go back, take it way back. Keep straighten it out, keep work it out, 'cause I don't wanna be. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go. So sugar, I don't wanna be. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go. Sugar, I don't wanna be. You realize I can't sleep without you, think without you, eat without you, speak without you, be without you. I can't even breathe without you. I can't feel without you, feel without you, spend without you. My whole world is upside down. Don't wanna go out 'cause I can't lie without you. Feel like I'm going down without you. What is a girl supposed to do when I spend my last time to be in your life? I don't wanna be without you. Wanna be. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go. So sugar, I don't wanna be. I don't wanna be. Go without you. I don't wanna be alone. When we hooked up, we sat down, made an agreement. We vowed that we'd always be together through whatever. We said that no one would ever get between us. This love will never, ever leave us. That was a wild love. But now lately, it feels like, I feel like going to this fight every single night. Can't make time, can't get it right. I just wanna go back, take it way back, all the way back. Can we start again, do it over? Can we straighten it out, keep work it out? 'Cause I don't wanna be. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go. So sugar, I don't wanna be. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go. Sugar, I don't wanna be. You realize I can't sleep without When we hooked up, we sat down, made an agreement. We vowed that we'd always be together through whatever. We said that no one would ever get between us. This love will never, ever leave us. That was a while ago. But now lately, it feels like, I feel like going to this fight every single night. Can't make time, can't get it right. I just wanna go back, take it way back, all the way back. Can we start again, do it over? Can we straighten it out, keep work it out? Cause I don't wanna be, I don't wanna be. I don't wanna go, so sugar, I don't wanna be alone. I don't wanna be, I don't wanna leave, I don't wanna go, sugar, I don't wanna be alone. You realize I can't sleep without you, think without you, eat without you, speak without you, be without you. I can't even breathe without you. I can't feel without you, feel without you, spin without you. My whole world is upside down. Don't wanna go out 'cause I can't lie without you. Feel like I'm going down without you. What is a girl supposed to do when I spend my last time to be in your life? I don't wanna be without you. I don't wanna be, I don't wanna leave, I don't wanna go, so sugar, I don't wanna be alone. I don't wanna be without you. I don't wanna be alone. When we hooked up, we sat down, made an agreement. We vowed that we'd always be together through whatever. We said that no one would ever get between us. This love will never, ever leave us. That was a while ago. But now lately, it feels like, I feel like going to this fight every single night. Can't make time, can't get it right. I just wanna go back, take it way back, all the way back. Can we start again, do it over? Can we straighten it out, keep work it out? Cause I don't wanna